Hello guys, this is Angie. I'm here again to making a blog, food blog. And here's the thing, the ingredients I need today. This is white onion chopped into chunk, and we have this one lemongrass. I smash and then cut into 1 inch. And then I put potatoes chopped into big pieces also. And this is the brand I using coconut milk, and this is about 200 grams, and this is the bread I using for curry paste. We going to cook chicken curry today. Take a wok, pour in cooking oil 2 to 3 tablespoons, heat up. Then put in the paste curry, stir it until the aroma comes out. Then add the tanglad lemongrass. Stir with it the paste few seconds. Add the chicken, mix it with the curry paste. Give a few seconds to toast it. Then add water, 2 cups, or the water must cover all the chicken meat. Cover it. Let the water boil and just cook for that first, like that. Then add the chunks potatoes. Check if the water lessened already or evaporate some. Add the coconut milk, stir it and cover. Check the potatoes, 70% cooked. Can add the chunks onions also now. Few seconds, onions cook. Milk, stir it and cover. Check the potatoes, 70% cooked. Can add the chunks onions also now. Few seconds, onions cook. To pair with this curry is so good. And this is not sponsored, and highly I recommend guys. Here guys my food vlog. It's time to dig in, or let's eat. Kain tayo. And please give like, comment down below and subscribe. Thank you guys for your support. God bless.